In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Calendly from LearnWorlds quickly and safely. If you connected Calendly to manage live sessions or bookings and now want to remove that connection, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can disconnect it without confusion. And if this helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, log into your LearnWorlds account using the admin credentials for the school or workspace where Calendly is connected. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Settings area in the left-hand menu or in your main admin navigation. Settings is where LearnWorlds keeps most of the platform-wide configuration options, including integrations. After you open Settings, find and click Integrations. This section is where LearnWorlds connects with third-party tools and external services. Depending on your account setup, you may see several different integration categories here, so take a moment to look through the options carefully. Next, open the Live Session section. This is the part of LearnWorlds that manages scheduling and session-related integrations, and it's where Calendly is usually connected if you've been using it for booking or appointment management. Once you're in Live Sessions, look for your connected Calendly account. When you find the Calendly connection, you should see a Disconnect option next to it. Click Disconnect to start removing the integration. LearnWorlds may ask you to confirm that you really want to unlink the account, especially if this connection is actively being used for live sessions or scheduling. If a confirmation message appears, review it carefully and confirm the disconnection. After that, the Calendly account should no longer be linked to LearnWorlds. At this point, it's a good idea to double-check your live session settings to make sure the integration is fully removed and that nothing else in your course setup depends on it. If you were using Calendly for student booking, make sure you replace it with another scheduling option if needed. That's really all there is to it. You've now successfully unlinked Calendly from LearnWorlds. This is a simple process, but it's always worth taking your time so you disconnect the correct account and avoid affecting any active sessions by mistake. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides on LearnWorlds, online course tools, and other software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.